My video guide is now dedicated to help you remove the new adware called VirtualDocument. VirtualDocument stands for a new adware from the adload family of adware type infections. VirtualDocument adware, once installed, may periodically show its quite intrusive advertisements. These ads are not related to the sites that you actually visit. Therefore, if this virtual document was somehow installed to your computer, make sure you get rid of this adware from your system. So check your applications, find this virtual document, and then right click on it and move it to the trash. If you find anything else that is suspicious, get rid of it. I also recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching the computer with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.